What is going on, guys? Esoteric Rider here, and it is a beautiful fall afternoon morning thing. I genuinely have no idea what time it is right now, but that's not the reason for today's video. Now, everybody who owns a Honda Fury, I think we all can agree that there is just one downfall about this beautiful, sexy, awesome motorcycle. Now, with that one downfall, it always comes with a commendation because this bike is perfect the way it is. Yes, it is. It's perfect the way it is, but it could be even more perfecter. I know that's not a word, but it could be even more perfecter if it had this one missing thing, and I think you guys already know what I'm about to say. What is that one missing thing, you might ask? Well, it's a 6th gear. Everybody who's taken this bike, everybody who's taken the Honda Fury onto the highway, expressway, whatever you want to call it, and had it at high speed, 70, 75, 80 miles an hour, can definitely agree with me that the Honda Fury needs a 2nd gear. Now, obviously, it's probably going to fall on deaf ears because the Fury needs a 6th gear argument can be shut down with one sentence. And that sentence is the Honda Fury is not a touring bike. Yes, you are correct. It is not a touring bike. Why do you need a 6-speed in a cruiser? Well, it's easily because if we want to cruise at 75, 80 miles an hour, a 6th gear would make it a hell of a lot easier to cruise in that high speed. Now, is it the world's most uncomfortable thing to ride at high speeds on the, on the Fury? No, not at all. And it just could be better, you know what I'm saying? Like, honestly, there have been times where I'm just like, I would love to take my motorcycle out to, I don't know, whereverville, and take the expressway and really just open up the throttle and just go, get the wind in my chest, you know what I'm saying? But it's just, the bike is screaming, and it just makes you feel uncomfortable. It doesn't make you really feel in danger. It just makes you feel a little uncomfortable. And yeah, it definitely could be better if it had that 6th gear. Now, don't get me wrong. If Honda never comes out with a 6th gear for this bike, yeah, that would be kind of a bummer. Honestly, it would. Do I hope to see them come out with one? Yes, I do. I really do, because honestly, I would probably trade in this bike or keep it and modify it out, I don't know. But get a 2nd bike, has the 6th gear, and then use that for long distances. Throw some bags on it, maybe a windscreen, even though I'm definitely not a fan of them on choppers. They have no business being on choppers, that's for sure. Alright, well, I'm going, fam. I don't know about y'all. Really, the only thing that the Honda Fury is missing is just the 6th gear, man. Like, God, it's like, it's so close yet so far away that it could be literally the perfect motorcycle. Does it perform well at high speeds? Yes, it does. It could just perform better if it had that 6th gear. It's just like, man, that stinks. Man, it's like you got the room for it. Obviously, in the frame, you've got the room for it. There's no question about that. But it's just the matter of when at this point. That's really the only thing that the Honda Fury is missing is that 6th gear, and this would literally be the all-in-one motorcycle. So that's my short little rant for today. I do plan to be doing more as time goes on. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check out the channel for more content with this beautiful specimen of a machine that is my 2020 Honda Fury. I do have more videos on modifications coming up here soon, but it's also coppas. Anyway, I do have more videos with modifications coming up soon, and it's gonna be a great time because if you're not first, you're last. So I'll just leave it at that. So in the meantime, guys, check out the Instagram at Esoteric Rider. Give me a follow. Do whatever your little heart desires, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. I already gave you my spiel, so I leave you with, when you ride, be safe and ride free. Peace out.